Parsada Kids. Please give a round of applause to them. Manish bhai, you promised something before we started this performance. Are you ready?
Yeah, actually I learned a lot from this. Like I was not knowing so many things and kids did a fantastic job. So I really appreciate that. So as we mentioned earlier, we are going to ask few questions to all of you. So we will start with first question. So are you ready? So whoever give the all answer correct, they will get big prize. That is suspense. So all are ready? Are you excited? Yeah. All right. So let's start with first question. What was Mahavir Bhagwan's first bow and who played that role? Please raise your hand. Who played that role? So you have to give the complete right answer. Yeah, you are right. So Usha auntie had given the right answer. So give her a big round of applause to her. So let's start with second question.
All right, so second question is, who came to visit Marichi and tells him he would become a Tirthankar in a later bow? What was his relationship with Marichi and who played that role today?
Please raise your hand. No kids. Please raise your hand. We want hands from adults. Oh, so let's repeat the question.
Okay,
Slowly,
so
go slow.
Question is, who came to visit Marichi and tells him he would become a Tirthankar in a later bow? What was his relationship with Marichi and who played that role today in our drama?
You have to give all three a correct answer. Go.
What was his relationship with Marichi?
Yeah.
Father.
And third question.
Who played that role today?
Who played that role in the drama?
Veer, that's true.
Huh?
Veer.
No.
Sorry.
No, that's not the third part is not the right. Who played the role of that? Okay, so let me.
Anai, that is true. Anai.
All right, so that's right. So Usha auntie, you had given the answer. So second right answer from Usha auntie. So give a big round of applause to her. So Dipesh bhai, I think we need to make our question harder and harder. Otherwise, Usha auntie will give all answers.
Let's do it.
So let me change my question. So which king put lead in musicians' ears? Who played that role? So now we are not going to ask Usha auntie. We want somebody else to give the answer. Two part. Which king put lead in musicians' ears? Anybody else?
Darsil.
Which king put leads in musicians' ears? Don't. एक मिनट. Give me proper. Tripush. Give full name. Okay. All right. So you got right answer. Don't tell them let them finish the complete answer. Okay. Let's go with fourth.
All right. Next question. In which bow did Mahavir Bhagwan threw a cow, and who played that role today in our performance?
Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand.
Raise your hand.
Repeat
So
question.
question is, in which bow did Mahavir Bhagwan threw a cow? Right? And who played that role today in our drama? Okay, we will perform the role, and in which bow Mahavir Bhagwan threw a cow?
Which bow? Which bow? Not number. We are asking which bow. So Mahavir Swami bow was what at that time? So
Somebody said something back there? That is true, it's number 16, but we want to know which bow.
which bow? Yes, that's correct. So can you, yeah, so can you give the complete answer? And who played that role? Veer. Okay, that's right answer.
All right.
We are going to ask the toughest question. So whoever is going to give the answer to that question, that person is going to get big surprise. All right, so are you ready?
Why do you have your hands up?
All right, so how many masses Kaman Nandan Muni did, and in what bow, and who played that role? Let me repeat the question again. How many masses Kaman Nandan Muni did, in what bow, who played that role in the drama?
Manish
I
bhai,
want all complete answer, like not one answer. I want all three correct answer.
Manish bhai, you are asking so many hard questions today.
This is the last question and this is the hardest question. Anybody is there to give the answer?
Why don't you repeat the question from our
Do you want me to repeat the question again? Okay, so please listen carefully. Okay, question is, how many masses Kaman Nandan Muni did? In what bow? Who played that role in the drama?
We have two people
Okay, so
raising
we
their
are going
hand.
to ask from here. Anybody is here? All three answer. I want all three answer. No. I want to give opportunity here first. Somebody here. If not, then we will go here. Who? Ketu Bhai doesn't know all three correct answer. He knows only two. That's what he said. So I am expecting all three correct answer.
કેતુ ભાઈ ગૂગલ કરો છો?
Good. No, wrong. I said masses Kaman. So 31 days continuous upas. How many?
We have one more here.
Wrong.
The one back there? Yeah,
Hello?
yeah, sit.
एक मिनट. Oh, that's right. हाँ? What number? હા એ તો મેં બીજું નંદન તો મેં ક્વેશ્ચનમાં જ હતું કયો ભાવ હતો નંબર નો 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 and who played that role? So I got only one correct answer. All right, okay, so let me give the answer. So first answer was right. How many masses Kaman Nandan Muni did? 11,80,645. So that was correct answer. In what bow? 23rd bow. 23rd, 23mo bow. And who played that role? Darshil. All right, so thank you so much for giving so many correct answer. I really appreciate. You guys know so many things.
It seems like I learned more than they did. Thank you guys.
Thank you.